Hi everyone! So today we are in Seminyak Petitengat area. So we will show you how it is at lunchtime and dinner time. So today we are in the one restaurant. It's called Inka. This is not paid endorsement, but yeah, we will show you how the area during the lunchtime and dinner time seems like not many tourists ya honey ya surround us. So yeah, we will stroll around. Alright, so that is the road, basically Petitengat. You see that's the name Inka Petitengat. I'll show you how is the place. It looks, you know, cozy, and coffee time also looks the cake so yum. And yeah, I'll stroll around and show you how is the place, the sitting area. Hi honey. So yeah, this is it. The design inside the restaurant, very nice, and surprisingly is that not many people are here. And look at the paintings on the top. Nowadays I really like to, you know, showing the people in detail the place where we are going. And maybe after this I will go upstairs as well and showing you the place. So basically this one is the econ room, and outside it's very gardenish area. So this one is the smoking room, and they also have stairs. So yeah, I'm upstairs and showing you the place, how it is. Hello. And this is basically how is the second floor look like. Very nice and comfy place. And yeah, I saw two people are there. Nice paintings. So yeah. Alright, so I order nasi pork belly. This is it. Very big portion. Damian order fish and chip. Looks so good. Yum yum.
What's up? You might thought as I'm not on today's video. I'm here, but I talk only when the cakes and the coffee. So here we go. That's the hot cappuccino, of course, and the chocolate cake. Also, I'm gonna show you the menu. The cake, chocolate cake, is 35k, which is actually a pretty good price for Bali standards recently. And overall, that's the menu, just in case if you are interested in Seminyak in Petitengat. Drink menu as well. We're gonna show you today. Looks like an endorsement, but it's not. But it's just, you know, good to show you something different. Alright, that's the restaurant. I'm gonna show you a little bit around what's going on here. It's around 5, so the traffic is getting a little bit higher than it was. Overall, so much construction everywhere. Everywhere. That must be another hotel or something. This hotel, for example, it was Ibis Styles long time ago, but they changed into local brand, but everything is pretty the same, just local brand, no more Ibis. Also on the other side of the street you have quite a lot of empty buildings. Overall here place is popular, this Petitengat street, for some hotels, mostly 3-4 star hotels. Well, there are some restaurants like this one, and there's other establishments, and also behind me is the one of the popular coffee shop. Overall, something like this one. I'm trying to face like this one because the sun is at the front of me. You have also Taco Casa, obviously, and yeah, practically this is it. Petitengat, part of Seminyak, less popular than the Kayuaya street, which is 8th street, but it's actually more cozy. Like you see, not much is going on, so it's cozy. I'm walking from there. Actually, the traffic is slowly starting there. Even the street is empty. Nothing is going on, but the car's stuck there because there is the junction, what I always mention. You may know, but still you have a local banker garage for the motorbikes. If something happens, you can fix it. There are some villas inside, little bit empty land, and there is the Jamie, popular restaurant, very nice one. And the rice fields are actually hidden behind. This is what left, but this is it. This is the Petitengat. There's also pharmacies, mini shop, everything like it's supposed to be. Gas delivery to El Greco, Taco Casa, and just wanted to show you, as normally there were the beautiful rice fields like this one. So actually Jamie and Taco Casa still have a rice field view. It was really nice. I don't know how come, but this piece of land is still left with the beautiful rice fields. and they even really plant this, but this land must be extremely expensive. This rice is growing on the very expensive land actually. It's also money changer currency rate recently. And well, just the beginning of the traffic jam. This traffic jam is going to the junction where is the Livingstone, and you can go to Umalas. Always it's like this. Petit Tenget in general is pretty cozy, pretty calm, not much is going on. Just the traffic jam because of the junction and poor infrastructure. This is the place where we are. We need inside resting, and overall that's the corner. Also I'm gonna show you, I'm going here in purpose because here was the Texas barbecue long time ago. I remember I had this nice brisket from the container that is gone, unfortunately. And there is the Tachi studio also, and the legendary Pison Cafe. This cafe is here for ages, and also the cables. Nothing really left, and the traffic jam, of course. And they are not moving at all. Check this out. Anyways, once again, we end up with $33. 330,000 for this one, we have it, which is what you see, and you saw it. So yeah, you can tell me, is it worth it? Is it not? Is it cheap? Is it not? This is Bali and Seminyak in 2023. Sayang. All right, and now we arrived to the Petit Tenget beach. That's the public parking. We're gonna show you the beach. Was 3 minutes from the restaurant, 3 minutes from the streets, and now 3 minutes from the beach to make everyone's happy in general. Let's go. This beach also have a lot of local vibe. You might surprises. This is in Petit Tenget. Oh, little doggo. Is more into like a tourist area, well, because it's Seminyak, but it's actually more into local. A lot of local and the styles. There is of course some nice restaurant and there also, but overall so many locals here. This beach is still very popular for the prayers, so this is like a place where you can worship and put the offerings and stuff. And many people coming here for watching the sunset, so it's gonna be soon. And they have a swing. Also the sun is so sharp, you cannot read anything. Petit Tenget, that's the name. And to give you perspective where we are, behind me is the Mano. I don't know if beach club, but like a just beach restaurant, because it's just over there, nice vibe. You can have also DJ sometimes and everything, so yeah. There's some local warung, and then there is the Alila Hotel. You may be familiar with the Alila Hotel. And then behind this one is gonna be a Potato Head and then W Hotel in Seminyak. And if you go opposite direction, there will be Kuta, obviously. That's it. Simple as that. And the sun is very sharp, but the sunset is gonna be in 45 minutes from now. Okay, actually from this perspective it's better. Petit Tenget Beach, that's the name. And also the swing. Still have a signs of social distancing, zona masker. They could already take this off actually, but it's okay. And then they have a lumpia cellar, what we mentioned yesterday in Nusa Dua. They also now are in Seminyak. And overall people just coming for having like a picnic, little bit gathering. It's weekend by the way, so.
So yeah, this is how the Bali life, where all the Balinese here are praying. Just next to them are people, or the tourists are sunbathing.
This is I don't know what comments should I say on this one, but
This is Bali life.
this is Bali life. I just gonna zoom it. So that's the prayers they praying,
And Ibu selling the
and then there are people
souvenirs.
and there are souvenirs. Yeah, hello. All right, so this is it. That's the beach. Many people coming, doing many various activities, whatever whoever likes to do, you can do here. And also there in the background is La Luciola, sayang. La Luciola, very nice place as well. La Luciola. Yeah, but
Somebody asked that.
actually a lot of people likes this place. It's like a, nice place overall. Been there, filmed there twice at least, so you can watch it. But it's open, at least. It's open because it was closed for over 2.5, 3 years, unfortunately. So yeah.
So seems like the Seminyak Petit Tenget is also good for the family-friendly holiday. As behind us, a group of tourists with the family coming here enjoying the time. So very nice. You know where they are from the way.
Where? I don't know.
Oi, oi, oi!
Oi, oi, oi. Little bit of the view of the ocean and the wave situation. Actually, I'm gonna tell you, the waves are pretty big and pretty powerful. Not so many surfers today. The guy is making the sand castle there. I have to go. And I think in the background, there are so many people, they have like a tartar release or some sort of thing like that. There will be also the Kudeta legendary beach club over there. And this resort here is, I think, Legian Seminyak Resort. That's the proper name. Also popular here in Seminyak, actually. Yeah, still Seminyak. Yeah, this is it, guys. Sayang, that's the nice husky doggos, huh?
What sort of dog is that?
Husky, or maybe wolf from Mark. I don't know, but no.
Hold a second, they're supposed to live in the cold,
Siberia, in
cold
Russia,
weather, right?
or in Alaska, but mostly in Siberia. Yeah,
Uh,
in the cold snow, like me. But
Oh my goodness.
me and this dog is similar. We live in tropical, but we are born in the cold, lah.
How could they, cope with the heat? Yeah?
Same like me. The same like me. Can and the cannot at the same time. You know?
That's why you always get a headache, right? Or overheating.
Probably they feel the same like me. What I gonna tell you?
Alright, so this is how Peti Tengah nowadays, Seminyak. So if you used to stay in the Seminyak area, or if you plan to come to Bali and staying in this area, so yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. It will be beautiful sunset soon. Bye.